Welcome to our channel. If you want to sell Bitcoin and receive PayPal Cash quickly, follow this quick guide to complete the transaction efficiently. Step 1. Use platforms that support Bitcoin to PayPal transfers such as Coinbase, eToro, or Paxful, which offer direct PayPal withdrawal options. Step 2. Create or log into your account on your chosen platform and complete identity verification if you haven't already done so. Step 3. Ensure your PayPal account is verified and linked to your cryptocurrency platform by providing your PayPal email address and account settings. Step 4. Navigate to the sell or trade section of the platform and select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Step 5. Choose PayPal as your withdrawal method and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert to PayPal Cash. Step 6. Review the exchange rate, transaction fees, and net amount you'll receive in your PayPal account before confirming the sale. Step 7. Confirm the transaction and wait for processing, which typically takes a few minutes to several hours depending on the platform. Step 8. Check your PayPal account balance to verify the funds have arrived successfully, then transfer to your bank account or use for purchases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.